campers. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are in Multnomah County, Oregon, about 20 miles east of Portland. We are rolling towards Portland. I don't know why I added an extra syllable to that word, but I did. So deal with it. Kind of up in the Cascade Locks area. It's a really nice little stretch of Interstate 84 that winds through the Columbia River Gorge going down into Portland. It's literally my favorite stretch of interstate highway in the entire country. I believe I have said on multiple occasions. Yeah, it's amazing. It's just like the only downside of it is that you have to deal with Portland when you drive it. And Portland's not always a lot of fun. Something is burning. I can smell smoke. Oh, yeah, there's a chimney going down there to the right. That's what that was. Nice wood stove smell. I like it. Oh, I gotta be careful coming up because GPS says there's traffic around the next corner as the road gently turns right. It's just one little spot of stop traffic according to this. That's probably like one vehicle pulled over on the side of the road and they happen to be using Google Maps. So it thinks they're stuck in a backup. Seen that before. So let's be ready to jump into the left lane if we need to. We got plenty of room to stop if necessary. Probably won't be. Alright, so this is where it thinks there's traffic. I see nothing. Nope, nothing. Weird. Oh, you know what I bet it was? I bet somebody came up that ramp and couldn't merge and stopped. I bet that's what happened. I bet somebody was trying to get on the highway and elected to just come to a complete stop instead of trying to merge into traffic when they got to the top of the ramp. That's probably what that was. So it thinks there's a backup there. That's fine. Not our problem. Not now, buddy. That was fair, though. I definitely got close to the line. It has been a snowy couple days here. But we managed to get down here without having to chain up anywhere. There was a point yesterday where I thought we were going to have to detour to avoid Cabbage because they had chain law in effect through the canyon leading up to Cabbage for a very large portion of yesterday. But by the time we got there, it was dropped. So, well, by the time we got to the decision point. The decision point, if you're going westbound toward Portland, is Ontario, Oregon. Specifically the Loves in Ontario. Pull in there, you check the chain law on all the mountains between there and Pendleton, Oregon. And if I see chain law in effect on any of those mountains and I'm heading to Portland, then I turn and go Route 20 to bend to US 97 up to US 26, US 26 over Mount Hood, which is somewhere off to our left, and drop into Portland that way. Though you got to be careful because sometimes there's chain laws in effect over Mount Hood, because Mount Hood is huge and snowy. So it doesn't always work out great. Though you can almost always sneak down 97 back up to 84 if you need to. But that adds like 90 miles to the trip. The detour over Mount Hood is only an extra 30 miles, which is worth it if you're avoiding chaining up entirely. But we didn't have to do that. Not today. Not yesterday. We got out of it scot-free. Apologies for the terrible audio quality on a couple of videos earlier this week. That was apparently the suction cup mount for my GoPro had come loose and I did not realize it, so it was vibrating and jiggling the microphone cable, and that was making the awful sound. we got the microphone, or we got the camera suction cup mount repositioned to a more secure spot. So hopefully that will not be a problem going forward. We'll try to be a little more aware of whether or not the mount is getting loose. Multnomah Falls. That's a thing you can Google. It's a really big, beautiful waterfall. You might even be able to see it somewhere off to the left. Probably not in this weather, but it's up there, I promise. It is a very cool waterfall. It'll be somewhere off to our left going through here, because this is the big interpretive center parking lot thing for it. Yeah, no, I don't think y'all are going to see it. I can't see it, and I'm drifting over the line now, so I should probably stop looking for it. Maybe you guys can see it. I don't know. I can't. Nope. Nope, no good angles there, I don't think. Oh, well. There's some pretty great scenery up there. If you ever get the chance to come through here in a car, I highly recommend stopping and taking the hike up there and see it. It is awesome. It's a very cool waterfall. Hello, barge. There's a garbage barge off to our right. I feel like you should be able to merge the words garbage and barge into one thing. Garbarge? Yeah, I think garbarge. Garbarge. There's a garbarge to our right. Well, there's the video title. February 18th, garbarge. It's going to be a good day. So the customer we're going to visit down in Portland is rather tight maneuvering, so that will be fun. I haven't been there before, so I don't really know what to expect, but their parking lot is apparently so small that the directions say to park out on the street. Block traffic if you have to, but park on the street and walk inside before you go in. Don't just pull into the driveway. So that's always fun. That's always fun. So I'm looking forward to that. But you guys are going to be left here in the canyon, I'm afraid, because of the limitations of the GoPro. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys riding down the canyon with me. I always love this drive, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Again, I know we've done it before, but still, I love it. Yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out. My name's Ellie O'Dare, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Ellie O'Dare everywhere else, particularly on Twitter. Come say hi on Twitter, @Ellie_O'Dare, no apostrophe username. That's the best place to get a hold of me, because I check it pretty much every time I stop. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Garbarge. That sounds like the name of a transformer, like a really awful transformer. Yeah, it's me, Garbarge. Obviously a Decepticon. Obviously. That one's free, Hasbro. You can take it.